Toyin Abraham tí gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀ sí ìyáwé ó wá sórí Instagram lánàá ó ké gbàjarè síta ó ní kí ló dé táwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà tó fi ń sọ̀rọ̀ òdì sóhun ó ní kí ló dé tó fi ń ṣépè fún òun ó ní kí ló dé tó fi ń ṣépè fún àwọn colleagues náà nínú eré orí ìtàgé ó ní àǹtí Ìyábọ̀ náà jáde sọ pé Òbí lòun fẹ́ dìbò fún ó ní wọ́n fi èpè lé wọlé ó lóun náà jáde sọ pé Tinubu lòun fẹ́ dìbò fún ó ní wọ́n fi èpè náà lé òun wọlé ó ní gbogbo àwọn colleagues òun ni wọ́n ń fún lépè lọ́tún ó ní àwọn kankan tí wàá jókòó sínú inbox òun wọ́n ṣépè fún òun lọ́tún lọ́sì ó ní ṣé Tinubu ló fa gbogbo ọ̀wọ́n gbogbo nǹkan tó wà ní Nàìjíríà ni ó ní ṣé Tinubu ló ń ṣiṣẹ́ lọ hospital ni ó ní ṣé Tinubu ló ń ṣiṣẹ́ ní custom ni ó ń ṣe Tinubu ló fa gbogbo wàhálà tó ṣẹlẹ̀ lórílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà ni olóòótọ́ òun wá sọ pé òun fẹ́ dìbò fún Tinubu ó lóun dẹ̀ ní kẹ́nìbọ̀dì òun force anybody láti dìbò fún Tinubu ó ní ṣùgbọ́n ó jẹ́ nǹkan ìyàlẹ́nu fún òun bí àwọn èèyàn ṣe wá jókòó sínú inbox òun tó ń jókòó sórí ayélujára tí wọ́n fi èpè fún òun àti mọ̀lẹ́bí òun àti ẹbí òun ó ló lágbára púpọ̀ ní òun ó ní kí Ọlọ́run ṣàánú fún òun ni òun ẹ̀gbọ́n nǹkan tí Tóyìn sọ àti Kẹ́mi Àfọlábí bó tiẹ̀ jẹ́ pé Kẹ́mi Àfọlábí sọ pé òun ò dìbò fún Tinubu ó ní Àtíkù lòun fẹ́ dìbò fún ó ní torí ìyà tí àwọn ọmọ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà tí wọ́n ń kọjú yìí ó ló ti pọ̀ jù ó ní àgbẹ̀ Tinubu wá láti APC ó ní àwọn ló gbé Buhari wá sórí ipò ẹ̀gbọ́n nǹkan tí Tóyìn sọ ẹ̀gbọ́n nǹkan tí Kẹ́mi Àfọlábí sọ ẹ̀sìn ní tèmi kí lẹ fíù èmi lérò pé oníkálukú ló ní yẹ kó ní right láti mú ẹni tó wù ú láti dìbò fún we shouldn't be subjected to bullies or to insult or to curses just that pé àmú ẹni tó wù wá àbí kí lẹ fíù kí lè what is your home thought guys let me know listen to her.
I'm saying it with my full chest. I am voting for Tinubu, and I have my reasons. My reasons is because I have seen him. I know he can do it, and that man is going to do something. I'm not saying he's a messiah. We are all our messiah because even we as citizens, we need to do better. Wafe lole epo, even the attendants, Mama Shako, wafe shekini kon Mama gbowo gate ati wole. Awa go furara wa and nira walara. Everything is not about government. That's what I'm saying. We citizens, we need to do better. Ṣáwọn governments ló ń dúró sẹ́nu ọ̀nà ni. Ṣáwọn governments làwọn ọlọ́pàá ni. Ṣáwọn governments làwọn immigration ni. No, it's not about party. And I said it. If you notice, a lot of people àwọn parties in. Ìjọ wo náà ni mo rí gbogbo videos, even posters. PDP will put one máa sọ fún ẹ pé vote kìíní kan for House of Rep, vote kìíní kan for Senator, and they will put Aṣíwájú, vote Aṣíwájú for President. Aṣíwájú was in Oyo State, and Ṣèyí Mákindé welcomed him. I've said it, this is not about party anymore. It's about individual. I have someone I'm voting for Federal is him. Obviously for Lagos State, Sanwo-Olu, because he did so well. For House of Rep, it's not even their party. I'm voting someone else. It's not even someone from their party. I'm voting someone else for House of Rep. It's your side. Yes, that's the honest truth. So it's not about party this time, because that man was not in power. And you know what I'm talking about. A lot of times, I'm a joke. There's little, I don't know, but like I said, everybody should. If you post anybody you post, people will abuse you. You can't say about post Peter Obi, and when you boo one now, let me know about post why you want boo me. Yes. So it's not. This is not anybody to about post. The other people would come. So
I tell you, these people are doing this out of frustration.
That's what I'm saying. But even that's what I'm saying.
In a way, actually move. Actually, some little basic things. I want you on Jaya.
Did you off the comment?
No, I did not. I am not supporting Tinubu.
That's it.
Because it sold Buhari to us, and Buhari did not do well. We all voted for Buhari. I campaigned for APC.
I didn't even campaign.
I said I campaigned for them, and I did so many things. I was one of the people who questioned Sanwo-Olu when he was coming in this their Ikoyi office here. So I'm going to vote for Funke and Jado in Lagos State. I don't care.
Me, if you want to say it,
I'll say yes. I'm good. It doesn't matter. In the end, I'll satisfy my conscience. I'm not supporting APC, and that's the truth. I'm not. vote fún tó bá ṣe dáadáa a fún other people ní chance láti ṣe ní mi ò need ẹ̀ ní because ilé ayé o láti wà diplomatic ni but tó bá di kàráǹgídá ohun mo sọ yìí mi support APC mi support wọn. ṣe dáadáa mo dẹ̀ pity àwọn èèyàn because mo rí nǹkan táwọn èèyàn go through at so far gone na Toyin.
There's nothing like
that. It doesn't hold any government kini, but most of them and if you are Baba Italian, you're not able to say, okay, what's going on? Okay, look at the time. See, Bobo Lekki kini ko ṣẹlẹ̀, they could not actually come out to say, okay, what is the kini situation? Who ordered that killing? Who did this? They could not come out to support us. So if we are the people they are looking at and they cannot help us, they cannot grow us instead of killing us. So many things in Shelley, solution. Why? Why? Let's call a spade now. About Tabaso Amaku. Tabade to Sono Amaku Noni. If you are talking about tribal, he's allowed to be scared. That Satufe Bossy Yak. So more, I won't go to Shawi. I love Tinúkú. Ọmọ Yorùbá ni mí, inú mi dùn tí Tinúkú bá wọlé. Tó bá dẹ̀ ṣe dáadáa fún wa, I will be proud. But because such as NSAS, it's not something we should have swept under the carpet.
I'm not. Tell me all these things you are just saying. All these things you are just saying.
It's not about even it was something that was an international issue. It was something that
you are saying all these things. Because you know that I'm going to be sincere with you, Kemi. You are my sister, so I'm going to be blunt. You're saying all these things because you feel that's what people want to hear.
No.
Is that the only problem on ground? Why are you not talking about hunger? Why are you not talking about
of course. Why
are you not talking about police brutality? Come on. Why are you talking about that?
Toyin, you've known me for almost 2 decades now. If there's anything affiliated with Kemi Afolabi, it's a bluntness. In fact, my bluntness and my boldness and my way of not being diplomatic in the past has made me created a lot of enemies. If there's anything, I don't give a damn about people.
You are right.
I'm very blunt. I don't do things because of anybody. I'm telling you, this is a pain I'm also going through. Abiyamo ni mi, man. Mo rí àwọn ìyá èèyàn tó ń sunkún. Mo rí àwọn èèyàn tó dìbò fún. Mo rí àwọn tó ń ṣubú tó ṣèṣe. It was a national issue, an issue CNN carried, the whole of the news, international news carried. So this has nothing to do with Lagos State. And other Dakebe, I'm not saying it because there have been no way.
Kemi, everybody is pained. That's the point. Everybody is pained. You see, sometimes everybody, that's why I tell people, don't look at social media. They think life is rosy for everybody. No. Kemi, everybody is pained. And to me, all these people, they are the same. So I would rather vote my conscience. I will vote who I want to vote for. Kemi, we all want a better Nigeria. Life is difficult for everybody. Life will be more difficult for me. If I shoot a movie, I put it out. If people cannot watch my movie, if my fans cannot watch my movie, life is difficult for me because that's where I eat. Do you understand? Even this weekend, I'm a
that if I want to be I will say that I don't have against Tinubu. I have something against the party because they are in the current. That's
what I am saying.
And the hardship is too much. Pain. You know, nothing has improved. As a matter of fact, so everything has gone worse from how it was. Do you get? So that's why people are not happy.
I'm not voting party, but I'm voting because which
I respect that, and I am not voting him.
Which I respect yours too.
Thank you.
But everybody, I cannot go your way. Everybody cannot go one way. It's not possible.
Everybody
no man boo. So everybody no man boo. So it's normal.